Okay, I'm trying something new. Hands free. This way.
You guys hunt or just
This way we can show doggies.
But we've always been a hound.
I don't know
dog
how it
family.
looks. I'd have to see. I have to do a little practice one.
Black and tans are kind of our first adventure into a tall.
Stand up, girls. Stand up.
Quite a bit smaller than this one.
Great mom, she does a good job.
Yes, yeah, she looks beautiful in the video.
She is a beautiful looking girl. She has beautiful low long ears. I love her look. Better, I like her look a lot better than the male, but the puppies all seem to have the low, always, yeah, they have beautiful puppies. So, yeah.
If you don't want them to do that, stand up.
Oh, she has a lot of tan.
Yes, guys. So when we saw these guys,
Hey, you're going to help me do it? Okay, you help me do it. I think it's almost full.
Yeah, they are beautiful looking.
Good girl. We'll save the rest of it for... Oh, look at
my
the
female,
monkey.
she came from, well, both came from way down south. Both the male and the female, but from different breeders.
Yeah.
They're both top 10 breeders in the States, both the guys. But I do like the female, that lineage the best. Yeah. I bought quite a few dogs from the other guy, and I just wasn't as impressed with them as I love the ones we got from the mom's guy.
So we're chipping everybody today, and we still have 4 baby boys, and I will show you the baby boys. They're in this pen here, and I'll hold them up and you can see them. They're all available. Okay, baby. Hey, baby. I'm just showing the baby boys. Yeah, you can hand them to me, Bri. So this is one baby boy. We haven't got the chips done yet. We're going to do them in a little bit. I should bring out my clippers. So
Why don't we chip them, and then as you're videoing them, let us know the chip.
yeah.
Okay. We can chip them. We can chip them right out here if you want.
Oh no, I've got to do nails. We're worming and everything. So we'll do it in the house. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. We got a plan.